Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck, here with today's quick tip. A lot of people look at this and they see a rainbow. As a designer, lots of times we see things differently. So it could be a horseshoe, a U, but I actually looked at it and decided that it could be an awesome urn surround. And so today, you can see this composition here was made in this piece, and so you can see how it just has a great amount of foam in it that you're able to insert those stems to get that upright look, that vegetative look. And then I'm just gonna show you quickly how I greened it up. And so here you can see it holds a lot of water and has a substantial amount of foam. And we're just coming in here with the aspidistra and surrounding the edges here and coming in. I've got the new bamboo greening pins from Smithers Oasis, and so you can use those, put a couple of those in, and you can just use the aspidistra itself to pin it together. And how you come in, and I'm just take this first one out, and so there you can see that's 4 pieces of aspidistra that cover that whole edge. And then as I'm putting florals through, I'll poke through it and kind of bring it together. The next thing I'm gonna do is just lay some larger pieces of leather right in through the middle too. And you can see, rather than break this down into small teeny pieces, I love the look of leather leaf and how it feels with this garden style design. And leather leaf is a great mechanic to be able to use. The issue is people break it down too much and add too much labor. So 5 pieces of leather, 4 aspidistra, and we're ready to create this composition. I'm Sandy Schroeck with today's quick tip, using that rainbow scenic shape from Smithers Oasis as an urn design.